Hey, in this video, I will show you how to set up frequently asked questions or FAQ on your Instagram business account. So if this video helped you out, and by the way, it's the same thing for an Android device and for an iOS or iPhone device, make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to help you out. So what you want to do is actually go on Instagram and you want to use a business page, not a personal or a creator account. I have a creator account here on Dr. Niki. I have to switch to a business account that I own. So I'll switch to this account. And you want to click on your profile photo at the bottom right corner, click on the three dashes at the top, and then select settings, which is the first option. Here you have different options. If you are not a business account, just click on account right here, click on switch account type and click on a business account. So now that you are a business account, you want to click on business because you are business. And click on frequently asked questions, click on setup. Now you can type in the question and the answers, and there you go, you have your FAQ. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you next one.